Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to do the Monad Score Connect. All right, that's the node connect for the Monad Score. I'm actually using a PC for it. That is what I have been using to be able to mine majority of my Monad account. All right, and in addition to that, it can work perfectly depending on the particular wallet that you have been using. Okay, someone that can be able to use a Mrs. browser to connect with this Monad Score Airdrop, but I'm using my PC. All right. In addition to that, I'm going to break down this thing into 5 steps. All right. So 5 steps that you are going to do to be able to connect your node and let it start running immediately for you. Okay. So if you follow these 5 steps, it will just be up and running for you completely. Right. So if you are new here, my name is Odis Profits, and I make videos about tech, crypto and finance. So please to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and I have a Telegram channel that is linked in the description that you can be able to join, as well as get more updates from me. Okay, so the first thing is the first step. Let us not waste time. The first step is to click the link that is showing in the description, or the one that you are seeing in the pinned comments. Okay, it will load you to this particular website where you can be able to do this. For context, again, this is for PC, but if you use this same method on a Mrs. browser, it will work 100%. Next is for you to be able to make sure that you have your wallet extension, that's your Metamask, on. Okay, this is my Metamask, and I'll just click on the connect button. So installed, you can be able, I can click my Metamask and wait for confirmation. So it is now opened for me. It has now opened for me. So I now need to be able to confirm my transaction. Even if it prompts me to impute my wallet again, I'll actually do that and allow it to load. Okay, next is for me to be able to connect and allow it to connect completely. So I've allowed it to connect. Then it will prompt again and open a new tab. Okay, so this is what it's providing. Then I'll click on approve. So yes, it has actually opened up for me. So it has actually opened up for me. This is from my PC. But if you use this same method on your Mrs. browser, it will completely connect. So probably if you want me to do it for a Mrs. browser, that's from mobile version, you can probably indicate in the chats and just say, yes, I want it to be on the Mrs. browser, that I can cover it for you guys on the Mrs. browser. Okay, so that is like the first step is already done, and the second step, which is connecting our wallet, is also done. Then the next thing that we need to do, which is the third step, is to start our node. All right, so the next thing is to come here, which is, as you're already seeing right here, click on run node. Okay, click on run node. It will actually start counting out for you because you have already connected your wallet. That is like the most important. So once I come here, and I think it's a network glitch, it's a network glitch kind of, so that is the reason why it is not actually running efficiently. So if I click on it, there's always a glitch in the network whenever I do it. So that's probably the next thing, is for you to be able to run your node. Then after you have done the third step, because it will automatically start running for you, but I think it's network congestion. After you're done with the third step, you go through your task section. Okay, the task section, this will give you an early boost in your tasks, that you can be able to earn additional points. So I'm not going to spend more time doing this, but let's just say I'll just click on follow Monad. It will redirect me to my Twitter account and open up for me, so that I can be able to just start. I'll just do this one quickly. So I'll just press follow Monad, and it will actually come here, and I'll press claim, and probably it will actually claim, but it is writing claiming, so it is this same thing. I think it's network congestion because I just did the entire task right now. Okay, task successful. Okay, task successful. Then I can be able to click on the particular task in terms of retreating. Okay, and allow it to retreat if they, okay, I'll just like it, and I've done the particular task. Then also claim the airdrop. Then the next should probably just a few basic interaction. The next should probably to retreat these posts. So I actually have to do it, and just wait for it to be able to load. I think it's the system that is lagging, not my network. So I'll click on retweet, so it will load since I've given it permission for it to be able to use. So retweeting the post, so I'll just have to wait for it and it will now repost completely. So probably it has done. So I'll press on the claim again and allow it to be able to claim completely. All right, so these things are the third and the fourth step actually, which is the tax. Okay, it's writing tax error. So the next thing, after once I'm done with the claiming, that is the next step. Then once I'm done with the claiming, the fourth step, which is what I'm just done with the claiming, that's the fourth step after that. So completely is to go through my referrals section. That's my referrals. The most important thing is the next rank multiplier is this. So your objective is to send out your referral links to your friends or to your well-wishers or whatever, or your group or on your social media accounts. Then you can be able to use that and garner more points. Although there is not much in terms of referral for Monad, because every single thing is based on your interaction, but this is like the next thing that you just need to be able to do. After that, you can go through your profile section and link any of your socials and do whatever it's expected. So for now, the node is not running. The blue button or the green button for my node is not running. It's actually giving me some hints, but it is going to be for 60 days. So currently I have 6,000, but I have 0 earnings already on my node because it is not working at the moment. So once I click on the run node section, nothing is really happening, and I'm not going to disconnect. So basically, I've done with the entire task. I have actually connected my wallet, and only running the node is the last thing that is left, which is probably by network interaction, since it's always a glitch. There's always a glitch. So that's basically every single thing you need to do about the Monad Testnet for the Monad Score node running. Make sure that you do any form of interaction that comes into your way in Monad. I'll be updating it every single time and completely. So basically, that's every single thing about it. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.